Hi everyone, this is the talented Mr. Fridge. We're at a fridge in Brooklyn. My friend is house sitting. So I don't know a lot about this fridge and I'm kind of interested to learn. A little tiny thing of Cracker Barrel maple syrup. Okay, love. This is kind of ketchup, mustard, I see. A little glassware with, I see, duck sauce, that kind of thing. Oh, gold under eye bag masks in with the soy sauce packets and an envelope. I'm wondering if this is film. I wonder if I shouldn't open this, but God, can you imagine what's in this closed yellow envelope? It looks like it's even glued shut. In the fridge? Okay. I mean, I've never seen anything like that. Sorry, I keep wanting to move on, but can you imagine what is in there? This is butter. This is cornichon, but it's actually just the juice and some of the onions. This is sweet elderberry syrup. This is ionic magnesium. Right next to Field Day organic yellow mustard, Coleman's mustard, Biscoff cookie butter, immunity shot, another thing of Biscoff cookie butter, Nutella, bourbon berry jam, and back here is something. Let's see. Oh, it's soy sauce. Okay. I'm getting the sense that these people have lived here for a while. There's soy sauce, more mustard, Cholula, I think more soy sauce. Virginia habanero hot sauce, hoisin sauce, maple syrup. Oh. Habanero mango hot sauce. More maple syrup. Salsa. Mayonnaise. Looks like some homemade salsa. Spicy mustard, ketchup, and ketchup. Okay, so that's the door. Now we're gonna start with the drawers. Onions. Broccoli. Rosemary, shallot. Baby arugula, a little bit. One wrapped up small cucumber. Athletic Brewing non-alcoholic beers, pickled red onions. This here in this bowl, it looks like some sort of a crumble top or a crisp of some kind, but that big spoon in there is interesting. I'm interested in the, it looks like an active bowl, you know. Baking soda. Oh, some individually wrapped Kraft cheese. We have seltzer. Okay, peanut butter. This looks nice. Like it's like a nice cheese in a thing. Big feta. Bread and butter pickle chips. Let's see if we can just get back here without moving anything. There's that Dalmatia fig spread that everyone seems to have. Some green salsas. This is a box of eggs. In the back we have Goose Island Bourbon Stout, Lunch India Pale Ale, Simple Syrup. Ow, I just burned myself on the light bulb. Milk IPA. Organic ginger beer, yogurt. I'm going to guess that is some sort of apricot jam. A Diet Coke. Brianna's Organics apple cider vinegar dressing. Jalapeno limeade. Okay. Yeast. Salsa. Jalapenos and banana peppers. Cranberry juice, half empty. More jam. More limeade. Vermouth. Almost dropped it. 2 bottles of water in the way back. a beer of some kind, a Red Bull, rice vinegar, half and half, sesame garlic sauce, and glaze. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that this fridge could really be consolidated. I'm seeing a lot of jams. I'm seeing a lot of soy sauce. I'm seeing a lot of mustard. I'm seeing just like some places where we could consolidate. And then of course what we're mainly seeing is this envelope that is glued shut.